Hello and welcome to my Ballet Basics course. This is a course for those who have never done ballet before, or for those who maybe have done a little bit of ballet but really want to work deeply and conscientiously on posture and on engaging the right muscles. This course will cover the basic positions in ballet: the first position for the arms, second, third, fourth and fifth, the basic positions of the feet, first, second. I will work just on first and second for this course. We're not going to work on fourth and fifth. We'll also work a lot on posture and how to engage your turnout. In ballet, the en dehors is the turnout of the leg, so the rotation of the leg within your hip. It's a very, very important aspect of ballet, and to learn to engage that properly takes a while. Takes a while because it doesn't come naturally. We tend to use these muscles, not so much our glute muscles. So lots of glute work, lots of also placement of your spine, and also lots of placement of your upper body. So the work on this course is very, very slow. We need to work on the feet quite a lot. Ballet is very, very heavy on the feet. Lots of work on the feet and lots of awareness of the toes, the arch, the instep, and then we will work on the main elements of ballet. The tendus, which is how you take your foot in and out, using the floor a lot and using a lot of pressure while you keep those legs turned out. Then we'll work on jetés as well, which is when you get the leg off the floor. We'll learn the concept of coup de pied, which is when you pick up your foot and down. And we'll learn the concept of fondus, which is when you bend. A fondu is a melt, and it's when you bend those legs. We'll develop a little sequence of exercises that we do all through the course, and by the end of the course you'll know these concepts plus a little bit of a center exercise. We also learn to waltz, pas de valse, and we learn to waltz with arms, and we learn to do a little combination that is going to put all the elements that we have learned together. So I hope this helps you get an idea of the course, and it's, I think, a really good course to take if you're a beginner, even if you have been dancing for a while, just to refocus and make sure you're using the right muscles and the right energy on your course.